Hey guys, Gadget Droid here. If you've been following the evolution of printers, you already know that the conversation has been shifting from just how fast can it print, to how much money can I save while still getting high quality prints? And that's exactly where the HP Smart Tank 5000 comes in. It's not just another wireless all-in-one printer, it's HP's answer to the high volume, low cost, family-friendly printing category. And honestly, after using it for a while, it makes sense why HP is marketing this as one of the easiest, most cost-effective home printers you can buy right now. So let's start with the basics. This is the HP Smart Tank 5000, a wireless all-in-one printer that does printing, scanning, and copying. It's built around HP's thermal inkjet technology, and the big story here is the ink. Unlike the traditional cartridge-based printers, this uses refillable ink tanks, which is really where the savings come in. HP is promising up to 2 years of ink included in the box, which translates to about 6,000 black and white or color pages right out of the gate. And if you've owned an inkjet printer before, you know that's huge. Not just because cartridges are expensive, but because constantly running out of them is frustrating. Here, you get transparent ink tanks you can refill easily, and visually check how much ink you have left at any time. It's a small detail, but a surprisingly big quality of life improvement. Design-wise, HP clearly kept the Smart Tank 5000 compact and approachable. It's 17 inches wide, about 14 inches deep, and 6 inches tall, weighing just over 11 pounds. For an all-in-one printer, that's pretty manageable. It comes in white, which gives it a softer look compared to the typical all-black office printers. On the front, there's a small LCD screen that gives you just enough control to navigate through basic functions without needing to rely on a computer or phone. But let's talk print quality, because this is where ink tank printers usually get questioned. You're not just buying this to save money, you still want sharp documents and good-looking photos. The Smart Tank 5000 does really well here. Black and white prints come out crisp at 1200 by 1200 p, and for color, it pushes up to 4800 by 1200 optimized p. What that means in real-world use is text looks professional and detailed, and images, especially photos, have accurate colors with surprisingly good depth. It's not going to replace a professional photo printer, but for families printing school projects, borderless vacation photos, or even work reports with graphs and images, the results are more than good enough. Performance-wise, the numbers aren't record-breaking, but they're solid for a home printer. You're getting about 10 pages per minute in black and white and 5 pages per minute in color. The first black page comes out in about 14 seconds, and the first color page in about 21 seconds. For comparison, faster office-grade laser printers will beat this, but those don't give you the same low ink costs or photo quality. This one is clearly aimed at everyday use, homework, recipes, forms, family photos, where you value cost and convenience over raw speed. Scanning and copying are handled through a flatbed scanner. Copy resolution goes up to 6000 by 1200 p in black and white, and 4800 by 1200 in color, which is more than enough for sharp reproductions. You can make up to 99 copies in one run, and the copy function is straightforward. No frills. It doesn't have duplex printing built in, which means no automatic double-sided prints. You'll have to manually reinsert pages for that. It's one of the few compromises here, but at this price point, it's not surprising. Now, connectivity is where HP gets it right. You've got wireless printing, so it connects easily to laptops, smartphones, or tablets. It supports both iOS and Android, and you can also control it with Amazon Alexa, which is a nice bonus for a home setup. The HP Smart app ties everything together, making setup simple and giving you control over printing, scanning, and monitoring ink levels straight from your phone. If you're old school, there's still a USB 2.0 port for direct connections to a PC. And the Wi-Fi connection is reliable. HP has clearly worked to make it stable, which is important if multiple people in the family are printing from different devices. In terms of paper handling, you're looking at a maximum sheet capacity of 100 pages in the input tray and 30 in the output tray. It supports a variety of media, from standard letter and legal sizes to envelopes, glossy photo paper, and even 3x5 cards. Borderless printing is supported too, which is great for photo prints. The maximum media size goes up to 8.5 by 14 inches, so you're covered for most everyday tasks. When it comes to power, it's rated at 3023 watts, but as with most printers, that's peak usage and not what it's constantly drawing. Energy Star certification helps reassure you that it's not going to spike your power bill. And features like Auto Power On make it a little more convenient and energy efficient day to day. The refill system is worth talking about again. Because this is what makes the Smart Tank series shine. Refilling the tanks is mess-free thanks to spill-free ink bottles, and each bottle is designed to fit only into the matching color tank, so you don't mix them up. HP's original ink bottles are designed to maximize page yield, and they're much more cost-effective compared to traditional cartridges. That means lower cost per page, and less stress about running out of ink mid-project. What I like about the Smart Tank 5000 is that HP didn't just focus on cost savings, but also on ease of use. The setup process is quick. HP has been improving this with their smart app integration, and the printer just works reliably once it's on your network. The interface is simple, the app is intuitive, and the printer itself feels user-friendly. And for families that aren't super technical, that reliability matters a lot more than shaving off an extra few seconds per print. Now of course, this isn't perfect. Like I mentioned, there's no automatic duplex printing, and print speeds are decent but not blazing fast. If you need a high-speed office printer for bulk documents, this probably isn't the right pick. But for homes, students, and families printing a mix of documents and photos, it hits a really sweet balance between print quality, low running cost, and ease of use. So who is this printer for? If you're a student, a family, or someone working from home who prints regularly, the HP Smart Tank 5000 makes a lot of sense. The upfront investment gives you 2 years of ink, which means you won't even think about buying ink bottles for a long time. And the quality you get for both text and color images is more than enough for everyday use. At the end of the day, HP has taken its reputation as America's most trusted printer brand and packaged it into something practical, cost-effective, and easy for families to live with. The Smart Tank 5000 isn't flashy, but it nails the fundamentals. Reliable wireless connection, low-cost ink, solid print quality, and an app that actually makes things easier. And for most households, that's exactly what you need. That's the HP Smart Tank 5000, an all-in-one printer that feels like it was designed with real everyday users in mind, giving you 2 years of peace of mind right in the box. It's not just about printing, it's about printing smarter.